You guys could see right here that this is the balance of $387 right here from my CPA grip, and this money was actually made using free traffic right here. And right here I'm going to be reloading this screen right here to tell you this is not some inspect tools or some screenshot that famous YouTuber literally show you right here on YouTube. So I'm going to come over right here and click on the reload button right here. So you guys are going to see that this is going to reload right here. I'm going to see that the same amount of money right here is still intact. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys the instant CPA free traffic method that I use in driving this kind of result right here for myself. So the first thing you need to do right here is head over to CPA grip or any CPA marketing of your choice right here. So once you're already on CPA grip, the first thing you need to do is to sign up for an account. If you know you haven't created an account using CPA grip, so just click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button, it's going to take you to this place where you'll be asked to fill out your first name, your last name, your company name, and by the way, you could just put your name as a company name. Then if you do not have a website, you could just get a random website from the internet, then paste it here. Then you're going to be asked to fill out your street address, select your country, your city. Then you're going to be selecting your postal code, then your region and all of that. Then you're going to be asked to provide a Skype ID. So if you do not have a Skype ID, I'm going to advise you go create a Skype ID, then paste in your Skype ID right here, then confirm your password, agree with the terms and conditions. So once you're done with that right here, all you need to do right here is just click on the sign up button right here. So once you click on the sign up button, they're gonna send you an OTP to your email address. So they're gonna ask you to verify your account. So once you're done verifying your account, this is how your account look like. Once you're already in your account right here, the first thing you need to do right here to head over to this menu button right here to head over to the offer section. So you can see right here I have zero balance right here, and the reason is because I just created a new account for the purpose of this tutorial. So just head over to this offers 2 section. So you could just head over to the monetization 2. Then you're gonna see my offer right here. So you're gonna be seeing a lot of offer that you could literally promote right here on CPA grip. There are different kind of offer. We have offer for mobile, we have offer for iOS, we have offer for like Android and all of that. So you can also filter them with the category. You could filter them with the country right here. So you could just go over to this category section right here. You could see mobile install, you could see page submit, you could see credit card submit right here, you could see email/zip submit. So what I like to promote most on CPA grip or any kind of CPA marketing platform is I love to promote anything related to like email/zip submit right here. But for you, if you do not like that, you could go for like the mobile installation offer right here, because these are the kind of simple kind of tasks you could literally get done on CPA grip. But if you are going for the credit card one, actually the credit card one has a very high payout, but it's kind of literally difficult for you to be able to get people's credit card right here. So the best option for you to go right here is to head over to the email/zip submit offers right here. So I'm going to click in on it right here. So it's going to be filtering this right here to the email/zip submit right here. So I'm going to be changing my location, so it's bringing offers from Nigeria from me right here. So and by the way, these offers that are from Nigeria are kind of they're not really paying out a lot, but you can also try them out if you want. But for me, I'm going to be picking an offer from the US, from first world country like UK, Canada and all of that. So I'm going to be selecting this country and I'm going to be looking for the US offer. So you guys can see right here there are a lot of offers right here that you can see. This offer is going to be paying us $2.31 right here. So if you're able to like get someone to submit their email right here. So guys, let's kind of do the math right here before I literally walk you through how you could literally do this right here for yourself. So if I come over to my calculator here and I time $2.31 right here, then times it by like 50. So if it times 50 right here, we're going to be making just $115, guys. This is easy money right here. All you need to do right here is just get them to submit their email and you're going to be making $50 right here as a complete beginner. So guys, I want you guys to please do me a favor. If you haven't smashed that subscribe button, please smash the subscribe button, like the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Thank you, and I really appreciate that. So all you need to do right here is to just grab your CPA affiliate link right here by clicking on the offer. So it's gonna load up right here. Then you're gonna see an option where you could just grab your link. You can see right here, just click on copy link right here. So I don't copying the link of the offer right here. The next step for us right here is to create a landing page right here, because we can't just send people straight to these offers right here, because a lot of platform out there does not like CPA marketing. So it's better for us to create a landing page for our offer. There are different kind of websites out there on the internet that could allow you to create a free landing page for your CPA marketing offer. So you could either use systeme.io or you could just use Google Docs. But for me right here, I personally use systeme.io. So all you need to do right here is just head over to systeme.io. I'm going to be leaving the link to the website right here in the video description. So already on systeme.io, all you need to do right here is head over to this menu section right here. Then you're going to be heading over to their funnel section. So we're going to be creating a landing page for our CPA marketing offer right here. So we're going to click on this funnel section. It's going to load us some template that we can literally use right right here. So just click on this plus section. So it's gonna load up this section right here. Then you're gonna be naming your funnel. So you could just name in anything you like. So for example, I'm gonna be saying CPA grip. So let me just name it CPA grip. So once I'm done with that right here, it's gonna select an option type right here. You guys should not be confused by what she's kind of here. You just click on sell product section right here. Then just click on this save button. So once you click on the save button right here, it's gonna load up some template for us that we could just customize. Then we could just use them as our landing page right here. And by the way, if you know you do not know how to use systeme.io to build landing pages, so I'm going to advise you check out some tutorials on YouTube right here that's going to be walking you through that. So I don't want the video to be too long right here. So all you need is kind of simple. It's kind of simple to build a landing page on systeme.io. Just drag and drop. Then once you drag and drop right here, you'll be able to like have a full customized landing page right here for your CPA marketing offer. So once you already have your landing page ready right here, we are going to move on to the most important step right here, which is how to promote our CPA affiliate link right here, because I know a lot of you guys might be waiting for that right here. So you guys should just chill and let me walk you through how I did it and how you can also implement this for yourself right here. What I did was I head over to facebook.com right here and I had to search for giveaway groups right here. So I had to join a couple of giveaway group. And by the way, if you're joining some group right here on Facebook, I'm going to advise you join the group that is kind of active right here. You need to make sure the group are very active right here. So you can see right here, these are groups right here. So you could just join a bunch of group right here. So you could see this group has 13,000 members. This has 7,000 members. This has 2,000 members. So you make sure the group you're joining are kind of active. So you could just join all of this group right here. Then once you're done joining all of this group right here, you're gonna be making a post. So you're gonna be telling them that they could win $200 and something, or they could just win a free Amazon gift card right here. Or you could just tell them if they're interested in Amazon gift card or whatever the offer is all about right here, you could tell them to comment on your post that you have something to offer them. So you could just post this right here on each and every single group you saw or you have joined on Facebook. So once you post this right here, you're gonna give them some time. So guys, some of them might not actually reply you, because I know a lot of you guys might be kind of doing this right here, and a lot of you guys have tested this and it might not work. But you should just try to do this. You guys should try to do this. So once you do this right here and see that it has not worked for me, because when I was doing my own, it literally took me some time for people to like reply. I think over like 3 days after. So some later replied me, but I wasn't getting that massive result like I want. So I had to start DMing them one after the other. So I had to head over to the group right here. I had to DM them each and everybody one after the other. So I had to DM 100 people every single day. Tell you how much work I put into this. So after DMing people like 100 people every single day, I did it for over like a week right here. So I started getting some response. And once you are DMing someone on Facebook, I want you guys to be careful so that Facebook won't ban you. So once you first send someone message on Facebook right here, you guys should not just send your CPA affiliate marketing link directly to the person when you're just meeting the person for the first time. You could be like, hey, what's up? How are you? You could just like kind of make some friends with them right here. Try them to know you right here. Then once you try them to know, you could tell them, okay, wow, I have this kind of offer, like this free giveaway that someone is doing right here. And in order to win this giveaway, you need to do this and do this right here. You could just know, you need to try to like be smart, think smart right here, because in order for you to make money online, you need to think smart right here. You need to work smart for you to be able to get results. It's not about working hard, it's about working smart. So if you could literally dedicate about 10 hours of your time right here, literally implementing what I've taught you right here in this video, in less than a month, I'm going to guarantee you that you're going to be making massive results using this method. I started getting some results from the CPA affiliate marketing offer that we're promoting. So I had to like invest the money right here. So I remember I made over $80 right here from using the free traffic method. Then I have to invest about $30 into ads right here. So after I've invested the $30 into ad, right, by literally running cheap ad to my CPA affiliate link right here, I was able to generate over $387 that I showed you right here. So there are different kind of platform where you could literally run cheap ad right here for just like low as $10 right here. So this platform right here called Cardan right here, so you'll be able to run cheap ads right here for as low as $10 using the Cardan website. So you could just check out some tutorials on YouTube literally walking you through how you could literally run an ad on the website. And by the way, if you want me to do a detailed video on any of this right here, feel free to go down to the comment section right here and drop me your comment. And by the way, if you know you have gotten any value from the video, make sure you smash the subscribe button right here, like the video for more videos like this on how to make money online. And guys, if you have any question you want to ask me, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And don't forget to go join our WhatsApp community group down in the video description. I'm going to be leaving the link in the video description. And also feel free to support your boy by literally buying me a coffee right here. The links are going to be down in the video description. So if you want to learn more ways that you could use to make money online, I'm going to advise you check out this video right here to go check out some website where you could literally promote your CPA affiliate link for free.